Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wise App. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Wise and you will click here in this window. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store and then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.